everyone, welcome to Aviation Engineering YouTube channel. All right, so today I'm going to start a new lesson series regarding A320 type training practice lessons. So this is for 88 chapter 21. So if you still not see my before videos like aircraft general and some the lessons for mathematics module 1 for YASA part 66 examination practice lessons, so please watch these videos and do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. And also, if you like these videos, please share this video with your friends and relatives. All right, so now we will go to the lesson. Today we're going to learn about 88 chapter 21 air conditioning system. Lesson 1. So in this lesson, the content is system presentations and system controls and indicating. All right, so let's go to the lesson. All right, the first one is system presentation. All right, you can see this is the aircraft. Here is the cockpit, the forward zone, aft bulk cargo, and this is the forward cargo, avionics, right? So from this blue color, you can see the pressurized areas. All right. So see, the air conditioned bay is not pressurized. All right. So you can see the temperature control and pressurized cockpit and cabin compartments over there, and ventilated and pressurized lavatories and galley compartments over there, this area. And the avionics bay, ventilated and pressurized avionic compartments, cooling is optional. And the forward cargo, the pressurized compartment, the ventilation and the heating are optional for the cargo. And for the air conditioned bay, unpressurized air conditioned bay over there, and aft bulk and cargo pressurized compartment, the ventilations and heating are optional. All right. Okay, so the air conditioning system keeps the pressure, temperature and freshness of the air in the pressurized fuselage zones at the proper level. All right. Okay, so now you can see the air conditioning. So the pneumatic system provide the air supply for the air conditioning system. So for the aircraft air conditioning system, the air is supplied by the pneumatic system of the aircraft, right? Then air is regulated in the temperature by the temperature regulation subsystems. You can see this is the bleed air. This is come from the pneumatic system in the aircraft, and then it's go to the temperature regulation. And the temperature regulation subsystems ensure that the pressurized zones, lavatory ventilations and galley ventilations are all operating at the correct air temperature. All right, so let's go to the next page. And then proper ventilation of the avionics equipment is ensured by the avionics subsystems, right? And the pressurization subsystems maintain a cabin altitude that is comfortable for the crew and the passengers. All right, so here is the this is kind of the graph. So you can say the bleed air coming and is go to the temperature regulation, and then is go to the ventilation and then pressurization. All right, so here is this is the aircraft when you see from the top. So here is the two pack over there. This is temperature regulations, this is the mixing unit, and these are the recirculation fans, and these are the air distribution lines, right? So this is the flow control. This is the bleed air coming from the engine. All right, so the bleed air coming from the pneumatic system is controlled by the flow control before reaching to the air conditioning packs, which ensure basic temperature regulations, right? So the bleed air coming through the engines, and before it's go to the packs, it's controlled by the flow control valve. So you can see bleed air coming through here, and this is the flow control valve. It is control the flow and then go to the two packs. All right, and recirculate air from the cabin zone is mixed with the air delivered by the pack, right? So recirculate air means the air already used, so these airs inside the cabin is mixed with the air delivered by the pack. It means the air is coming to this pack and also is go to the mixing unit, and also the recirculated air also come to the mixing unit. So then it's mixed over there, right? Okay. So then the controlling the amount of hot air added to the air flowing from the mixer unit allows for accurate temperature adjustment of the air distributed in the pressurized zones. All right, so the controlling the amount of hot air added to the air flowing from the mixer unit for accurate temperature adjustment of the air distributed in the pressurized zone. So this is the temperature regulation zone. It means the mixture is come the air, so then they will add the required air, I mean the hot air, then they can adjust the temperature inside the zones, right? All right. So then the correct pressurization is obtained by controlling the conditioned air discharge through one outflow valve. So this is the outflow valve. So the correct pressurization, the correct pressurization inside the cabin is obtained by controlling the conditioned air discharge through one outflow valve. It means if the pressurization inside the cabin is more, then the outflow valve can open and release. So then the pressurization can getting lower, right? So this the pressurization obtained and controlling by the conditioned air discharge through the outflow valve over there. You can see a outflow valve in the aircraft, right? So this is situated in the right side of the aircraft, aft area. All right. So now let's go to the second one, system controls and indicating. System controls and indicating. So this will show you where the controls and indicators for the air conditioning systems are located. All right. So here is the overhead panel in the cockpit. I teach you in the aircraft general, right? So the controls for the air conditioning systems are positions on the overhead panel. So this is the overhead panel. So here is the cargo vent and heat, and here is the air conditioning panel and ventilations and pressurization, right? So these are the controls of air conditioning panel. All right. So this is the dashboard. This is the aircraft. So the PFD, ND, and engine warning display, system display here. So the air conditioning systems can be monitored on the ECAM system display, right? So air conditioning system can be monitored on the ECAM system display, right? So ECAM system display, this is the ECAM system display. So we can monitor the air conditioning system, right? We can monitor the air conditioning system. All right. So the system information is shown on the following pages, right? So it means when you go to system display, we can see some pages, right? So system information is shown in the following pages. So the bleed page, in the bleed page, pack and emergency RAM, we can see the information, and the air conditioning page, the cockpit and the cabin temperature control, cargo ventilation and heating. So the pressure page, pressurization page, so pressurization and avionic ventilation, and cruise page, zone temperature and main pressurization system parameters. All right. So yeah, so that is the end of the first lesson of air conditioning. So I think you have got some good knowledge about the pressurization. This is like an introduction. So the next lesson I'm going to teach you deeply. So from next lesson we will start to learn deeply about air conditioning systems, and then I will explain the parts and the purpose of the parts and how they work, right? So I will take the live pictures also, so then you can get a good knowledge about air conditioning system in the A320, A319 or A321 aircraft. All right, so thank you for joining today's lesson. And if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, and also please share this video, because this will helpful for someone who want to join for aviation field, aircraft maintenance field. So and also if you like this video, please don't skip it, just like and comment. If you have any questions, please comment in the comment section. All right, so thank you everyone. So we will meet on next video.